In this video, we're going to understand what a magnetic field really is and how magnets interact with their surroundings, not just as an idea, but as a physical phenomenon you can see and feel. We'll start from the basics. A magnet has two poles, north and south, and it creates an invisible region around it called a magnetic field. This field is not something we can see directly, but we can visualize it using field lines, which show the direction a tiny north pole would move. According to magnetic theory, these field lines always leave the North Pole, curve through space, and enter the South Pole, forming continuous closed loops. In this animation, the glowing curves represent those magnetic field lines, and the small arrows act like compass needles, which are themselves tiny magnets. Each compass aligns with the local magnetic field direction because a magnetic field exerts a torque on magnetic dipoles, forcing them to rotate until they are aligned. As the bar magnet moves and rotates, the magnetic field changes everywhere in space, and you can see the compasses instantly respond, demonstrating how magnetic fields transmit information through space without direct contact. This same principle explains how navigation compasses work, how electric motors and generators operate, and how magnetic sensors are used in smartphones, vehicles, and scientific instruments. By visualizing magnetism this way, we move beyond equations and start to truly see how invisible fields govern real physical interactions all around us.